Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys. Alright, check it out. Transformers Robots in Disguise. And I've got a few different waves here. Wave 1 with Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, Steeljaw, and Strongarm. Wave 2, Grimlock and Sideswipe. Wave 3, Fix-It and Underbite. Wave 4, Alpine Strike Sideswipe and Night Ops Bumblebee. Wave 5, Patrol Mode Strongarm and Ultra Magnus. Wave 6 was Clampdown, Autobot Drift, Thunderhoof, and Windblade. So pretty cool Legion class Transformers Robots in Disguise, but now I've got some new waves coming out, okay? So here is Wave 7 with Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime, pretty cool looking. And Autobot Ratchet. Awesome, finally got a Ratchet for this Legion class. That's pretty cool. But also, that's Wave 7. Also, Wave 8. Wave 8 with a new packaging. It's Decepticon Groundbuster. So there's Decepticon Groundbuster and Autobot Drift, but it's Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. So he's not orange, he's in his Blizzard Strike color right there. So that's pretty cool. And one last wave is Wave 9, and that is BISK, the crazy lobster shrimp looking car. So Wave 9 is BISK. So that is all of them as of right now. So Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So let's open up this 7, 8, and 9 wave and check them out. Okay, so here we go. We got Wave 7, Wave 8, and Wave 9. BISK is all by himself. So let's start with Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. Here is Wave 7. And the backs are pretty much all the same. This is a 5-step transformer. So let's open up this Blizzard Strike Optimus and get him out of here. And check him out. So there we go. There's the Optimus Prime. Just like the other Optimus Prime. It's just a different color. And it's probably going to transform the same way. But this is the Blizzard Strike. And here is the regular Optimus Prime. So he looks about the same, just has a bit different paint job. He's not, he doesn't transform any different. Okay, so let's transform Optimus. Here we go. We'll flip his head back just like this. Okay, so let's move on to the second one, which is Autobot Ratchet. And the back is pretty much the same as the others, a 5-step Ratchet. But this has been long awaited, this Autobot Ratchet, so can't wait to get him out and transform him. He looks pretty cool right there in the picture. That's for sure. Okay, let's open him up. There we go. And also in these packages here, you've got your directions. Autobot Ratchet. So here he is, Autobot Ratchet. He's moved a little bit. He's pretty small, I would say. The head and things are pretty small, but we're going to transform him. We're going to check him out, what he looks like. You think he looks like Strongarm at all? We'll have to compare him to Strongarm once we transform him. Okay, so let's transform this Autobot Ratchet. And there is Ratchet. Now let's compare it to STRONGARM. And yep, it's pretty much the same thing, just repainted for Ratchet. Transforms the same way and looks like the same vehicle. Yep, Ratchet, you're just a repaint. Okay, let's transform you back. Alright, let's move on to Wave 8, and here's a new one. It's Decepticon Groundbuster. So a new character some people maybe never seen before. Looks pretty cool. And that's what it looks like, 5 steps. It looks like a big wrecking machine, right? Looks like a bulldozer or a caterpillar or something like that, but it looks like he's about to pound the ground. So let's open up Decepticon Groundbuster. And here we go. That comes with the instructions in case you need to figure out how to transform them. So here is Groundbuster. Pretty small little character. He's got one long claw right here, which I'm sure once we transform him, that'll be his little hook that he has. So that's pretty cool. So there is Groundbuster. Check out the caterpillar tracks behind them. Do they turn? Nope, but they do have wheels right here for him to roll. Okay, so let's transform this Decepticon Groundbuster. And there you go, there's Groundbuster. This can pivot both ways, and this kind of moves just a little bit, his little hook. Just like that. And this folds out too, but that's a cab for this caterpillar. So that's a pretty cool new character. Okay, let's transform him back. Okay, let's move on to the next one in Wave 8, and that is Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. So Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift, look at that paint job, looks pretty cool compared to the orange Drift, but he's a 5-step. So let's open him up and check him out. Uh-oh, it's taped. There we go. Got Drift out of the package, and he will probably transform just like the other orange one. So this is Drift. I like the new cool blue paint job with the light blue on the inside. That looks pretty cool. And when he transforms, these wheels will be light blue too. Okay, so let's transform this Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. And there we go, there's Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. And check it out, check those wheels out, pretty cool. I really like that paint job, it looks really cool. That's a definite thumbs up for sure. Let's check out the orange one. Okay, so here is the orange one, and as you can see, it's just a repaint. It's the same car, same Autobot Drift, but I like this new color, that's for sure. That looks really cool. So there's the orange one, and here is the Blizzard Strike one. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's transform him back. Okay, so let's check out the last one, which is Wave 9, and that is BISK. And this car looks pretty cool, but check out that transformer. That is definitely a Decepticon for sure. So this lobster, shrimp-looking Decepticon, we're going to have to check out and see what he looks like. Okay, so let's get him out of the package. We've got another package that's taped closed. There we go. And there is Decepticon BISK. He definitely looks weird, that's for sure. Check out those little tiny beady eyeballs. But I'm sure the car looks pretty cool when he transforms. Okay, so let's transform this Decepticon BISK. You can see right here he's got those little claws and they open and close just like that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's transform. And just like that, there is the car of BISK. And it's a pretty cool looking car. It's got these little pointy parts right here on top. And you can see the feet right there. So it looks kind of lobster-like looking. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's transform him back. Alright, so there you go. There's a Transformers Robots in Disguise Wave 7, Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime, and Autobot Ratchet. And we got Ground Buster and Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. And Wave 9 is BISK. So pretty cool new characters to add. And these two waves right here are the Minicon Weaponizers too, with the new packaging. So they're pretty cool. So pretty cool Transformers Robots in Disguise. What do you think of these Transformers? I really like this one right here, Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. He's got the best paint job, I think. He looks really cool. Okay, so let's transform them one more time. So there we go. There are waves 1 through 9, and check them out. They all look pretty cool. I really like a lot of them. There's 21 of these Transformers Robots in Disguise, wave 1 through 9. But here are the newest ones, with Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime, Autobot Ratchet, Ground Buster, Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift, and BISK. So pretty cool. What do you guys think? Who's your favorite character? Which one of these Transformers Robots in Disguise is your favorite character? Alright, check it out. Transformers Robots in Disguise. And I've got all the waves here. So these are pretty cool. We got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and... wait a second, is there an 8? I can't remember. But yep, I bet there is. BISK. Transformers Robots in Disguise, one step changer, BISK. And who else do we have? Ratchet. Autobot Ratchet. This is going to be pretty cool to open up. Autobot Ratchet. And we have one more in this wave 8, and that is ENERGON Boost Bumblebee. And he kind of looks like a similar one from this wave right here, but this is going to be pretty cool. So let's open these up and check them out. Okay, so here is wave 8, and this is the second wave for the Minicon weaponizers. As you can see, the packaging is a little different. Minicon weaponizers. And wave 7 had Optimus, had PROWL or STRONGARM, and had a Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. So let me transform that one, because I really like this Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. He looks pretty cool. So there we go. Transform back. There we go. Okay, alright, now let's check out this new wave 8. Alright, Autobot. No, not an Autobot. It's BISK. He's like a big shrimp crab, but he is a Decepticon. But check out these pretty cool Minicon weaponizers. So you can get Minicons for them and put them in their hands. So let's open this up and check them out. It's going to be kind of tough to get in here. There we go. Okay. One step BISK right here. Okay, there we go. There's BISK. Pretty cool looking car. That's for sure. Very cool. Okay, let's see how we're going to transform this one step BISK. Okay, let's flip the bottom right here like this. There we go. He kind of bends forward just a little bit, but look how big his arms are. Oh, and check this out right here. You can put these claws out right here like that. Flip that one out. There we go. There is BISK. Can spread his feet a little bit. Nothing else moves. This kind of rubbery right here. Son of his chin and his tentacles, or his antenna right there. So let's transform him back. We'll flip this around. Flip back. And we'll flip him down. Just like that. And do it again. Let's see this. Flip this up right here. Just like that. Pretty cool. Alright, this BISK is pretty big and wide, as you can see. It's pretty wide. The arms don't really come into the side at all. So that is BISK. Okay, let's see how BISK stands up. Pretty good. Okay, so let's check out this Ratchet. Pretty much same thing on all boxes, but it shows the Minicon that it's compatible with. You can put that right in the hand, since they have these holes right in the hand. Okay, Autobot Ratchet. This one's going to be pretty cool. I wonder if it's going to be similar to STRONGARM. Okay, so let's open this Autobot Ratchet up. There we go. Autobot Ratchet. Nice, pretty cool SUV. Looks like a big Yukon or a Suburban or something like that, but pretty big. Okay, so let's transform. Just flip it around. Transform similar to STRONGARM. And then bring the hands down. Let's see, bring this arm down. Oop, let's bring this back. And there we go. Bring the arms down just like that. So I think before you transform them, you got to bring the arms up and then flip the top. So let's bring these arms up, bring these arms up. Flip this top back over. Okay, so that is Autobot Ratchet. Let's flip this around and transform again. Make sure the arms are up at the same height. You bend them in the same way. Cool. Alright, Autobot Ratchet. Okay, let's get the next one, which is Energon Boost Bumblebee. But Bumblebee looks pretty similar. I wonder if it's the same tooling, just a little bit different paint job. So once we open this, we'll compare it. It's got a little bit more blue on it than gray, like before. Okay, so let's open this Energon Boost Bumblebee open. And yep, just like before, it's pretty much the same thing. We'll compare it to this wave right here. You can see that the blue goes back right here. And the blue is where the windshields were, and then you got air scoops right here. It's still got blue down there, a little black, no black. But it is pretty much the same thing. Let's transform, ready? Oh yeah, look at all the blue. Okay, let's do this one. And look at all the black. So, it's the same Bumblebee, just new paint job. Hey guys, I'm Bumblebee. No, I'm Bumblebee. No, I'm the new and improved Energon Boost Bumblebee. Yeah, but you look just like me, and that blue doesn't really do anything for you. Yes, it does. It makes me look way better. I'm Energon Boost Bumblebee. Yeah, but I'm not seeing it. It doesn't look that great. What are you talking about? Check out this blue right here on my chest and on my legs. Yeah, but check out my gray and my black right down here on my legs. It makes me look more manly and tough. So take that. Oh, man, that hurt. See, I told you that blue makes you look like a little baby. Man, what are you talking about? No, it doesn't. I'm Energon Boost Bumblebee. What are you talking about? And you can see a little blue right there, black right there. So pretty much the same thing. Just flip the blue and black around. Okay, Bumblebee. And transform back. Flip them around. Ready. Put the hands down. And like I said, these are Minicon weaponizers. This is wave 2. This was wave 1. And they can hold a Minicon right there in their hands and blast those Decepticons. Ready? Very cool. So there is wave 8 of BISK, Autobot Ratchet, and Bumblebee. Alright, so there you go. There's wave 1 through 8 for the Transformers Robots in Disguise one-step changers. So this wave 8 of BISK, Autobot Ratchet, and Bumblebee is pretty awesome. So I think it's time to transform all of these characters and check them out and see how they transform into robot mode and then back into vehicle mode. Alright, here we go. Wave 1. Bumblebee. Just like that. Back into car mode. Just like that into robot mode. Gotta make sure you flip these down. Okay, and then Sideswipe. There we go. Strong arm. There we go. There is strong arm. Underbite. Okay, and there is Underbite. Alright, here we go. Here's Fix It. Just press this down right here, and he pops up. Let go. Press it up again. There we go. There is Fix It. And here's Grimlock. Me, Dinobot. Ready, flip. Just like that. There we go. There is Grimlock. Decepticon Steel Jaw. Just like that. You flip this up. This is his big tail right here. Let's do it again. There is Steel Jaw. And Autobot Drift. There we go. There it is. Autobot Drift. Decepticon Fracture. Just like that. Goes from that robot mode into a motorcycle. There is Fracture. Okay, here is Thunderhoof. The Gaspago. Here's the Gaspago. You can flip that up, or flip it down, or flip it back around. Transform back. Ready. Here is Thunderhoof. Then we've got Night Ops Bumblebee. There's Night Ops Bumblebee. Okay, Ninja Mode, Sideswipe. Ninja Mode, Sideswipe. There we go, Ninja Mode, Sideswipe. Okay, Gold Armor, Grimlock. Alright. Transforms just like the other one, just has a different paint job. Okay, and then Patrol Mode, Strong Arm. Patrol Mode, Strong Arm. Transforms the same way as the Wave 1. Just like that. Okay, on to Wave 6, and here is Bumblebee. There we go. There is Bumblebee. Alright, and then here's another side swipe. Okay, so then you pull it right here. Or you push it back. There is Sideswipe. It's a pretty cool design, but I don't like the way it transforms. It's a little tricky. There we go. Okay, there's Sideswipe. Decepticon Quillfire. There we go. He transforms kind of slow, but he looks like a really cool Humvee, doesn't he? Flip him around again. Decepticon Quillfire. Just like that, and he kind of bends over just a little bit. And here is Spring Load. Decepticon Spring Load. Frog. Okay, spread these just like that. And there is a poisonous frog. There is Spring Load. Okay, and here is Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime, here we go. Optimus Prime transforms just like that. You can flip this up if you want. Or you put it down, up or down. Transform it again. There is Optimus Prime. Okay. Alright, and next is Strong Arm. Here we go. Here's Strong Arm. And uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. We're missing a tire. Oh no. Transform. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, flip them back around. Transforms very similar to Autobot Ratchet. Okay. We're missing a wheel. Oh no, we're gonna have to find a wheel. Okay, ready, transform. Okay, here we go. Blizzard Strike, Sideswipe, transform. There we go. Very cool. Transform back. Alright, alright. Blizzard Strike, Sideswipe's pretty awesome. There we go. And on to the last wave, we've got BISK. Just like that. I'm gonna flip these out. Flip those out. Or go back. There we go. There is Decepticon BISK. And then Ratchet. Alright, Ratchet. There we go, Autobot Ratchet. And last one is ENERGON Boost Bumblebee. Very cool, very cool. Alright, and there we go. Alright, so there you go. There's Transformers Robots in Disguise, waves 1 through 8 for these one-step changers. So these are pretty awesome. Which one of these characters is your most favorite character ever? Or maybe, what is your top 3 characters? Leave a comment down below and let me know. I really like this ENERGON Boost Bumblebee. He's pretty cool looking. That BISK is pretty cool, but still this Blizzard Strike Sideswipe is pretty awesome. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Well, that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out my channel for more Transformers Robots in Disguise videos and for more exciting toys.
Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then select a video to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. There are so many cool toy videos. Which one are you going to pick?